Hmm?
I'm cleaning it out.
Is it dusty already?
Yeah. And
What is up? My name is Sean with 8-Bit, and this is
Leon.
welcome back to our Lego build, the Eternity build, because it's taken a year to do. But I call it in reinforcements. Like I said in the last video, we have Liam here who's done hundreds of Lego builds over the course of, since he was probably 4 or 5. We used to help him a lot, and now he just cranks through them on his own. Absolutely loves Legos, so needed some help to get these done. And in the last video, I said we were going to do bag 8 and 9 next. Actually, 9 starts the TV, so we are just going to do bag 8 to finish up the controller, and that'll be this video. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and let's get to it. What's up?
What we have so far.
Oh yeah, show them. So this is where we're at. This is progress. We have the whole console built, the Mario game, the cartridge built, so it's got the working, and the side panel, there's a hidden Mario level over here in the side panel. It has all the AV inputs and everything, so it's really cool. It's a really cool build. The fact that it's gray and dark gray and black doesn't make it as exciting to actually build it, but it's really cool how they put it together and the hidden parts and how it has a working cartridge thing in it, so that, and the side just pops off like that, so you can just see, I've held this up a couple times here, you can just see the cool little level they hid there. So some really cool parts about this build. It is a little bit less exciting, but just because it's gray and dark gray. But it's really cool because it's a Lego NES. So let's get to it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, we got the whole controller built. Pretty cool looking. Pretty cool controller. It's got this tube here, that acts like the wire, and then the connection here, the end, is pretty unique here. So
now we can actually play the game.
Clips should clip into the front there.
Nope, upside down.
Yeah. There you go. Cool. Very cool.
Nice.
All right, so the console, controller, cartridge are done, finally. So bag 8 done right now, and we're gonna take a quick break. We'll come back, and we will continue with building the TV and getting everything else together. So hopefully we'll get a lot of this done today. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.